You might be onto something. Insurance companies are all about assessing risk after all, so tech that helps prevent you from making a claim is going to be a plus for them. The caveat, unfortunately, because most cottages are pretty rural and they often sit empty for lengthy periods of time, security cameras aren't necessarily going to prevent something from happening. While they can act as a deterrent, cameras are easily ripped down, obscured, or fooled. You don't have to be an experienced thief to know that putting on a hoodie and some sunglasses is enough to conceal your identity. That said, installing cameras can't hurt, especially if they're pointed towards the driveway or to the road to capture a license plate. If you really want to lower your insurance premiums, our experts say you're better off spending your money on a 24-hour monitored alarm system. And the monitored bit is key here. An alarm that just makes noise but doesn't alert anyone off-site is about as useful as an obscured security camera. But if the police can get there early enough, it can really mitigate any losses. Costs for a monitored system start as low as $20 per month, and having one could net you anywhere from 5 to 15% savings on your premiums. However, it will depend on how remote your cottage is, so make sure you shop around. Finally, having security cameras won't only give you peace of mind about break-ins. You can also monitor critter activity or check in to see if your property suffered any damage after a storm. Saving yourself a 4-hour drive in traffic just to see that everything's okay? Now that might be worth the investment.